What a beautiful day. I am so glad we decided to come to the park.
Me too, Clara. The sun is shining, there is a gentle breeze. It is the perfect afternoon to just sit and relax. I was getting tired of being indoors.
Exactly. Sometimes you just need to be outside in a nice, open space. And this is my favorite bench. You can see almost the entire park from here.
It is a great spot. You can see the pond, the flower gardens, and the main walking path. It is the perfect place for one of our favorite activities.
And what activity is that?
People watching, of course. It is like watching a television show, but it is real life. It is so interesting to see all the different people and imagine what their lives are like.
I completely agree. It is one of the best ways to spend a lazy afternoon. So, who do you see? Who should we watch first?
Okay, my eyes are scanning the area now. How about we start with that man over there, the one sitting on the bench by the pond?
The man in the dark business suit? Yes, I see him. He looks a little out of place here in the park on such a sunny day. He is dressed for a serious meeting in an office.
That is what I was thinking. He is just sitting there, staring at the ducks swimming in the pond. He is not looking at his phone or reading a newspaper. He is just thinking.
He looks very serious. Maybe he just came from a very stressful meeting and he needs a few moments of peace and quiet before he goes back to the office.
That is possible. Or maybe he is the boss of a big company and he is trying to make a very important decision.
I have a different idea. I think he is a famous architect. I think he is designing a huge, modern building, but he has a creative block. He came to the park to look at nature, hoping to find some inspiration for his next great design. Okay, who is next on our list? Who has caught your attention now, Daniel?
Let's see. Look over there, near the big fountain. There is a young couple, and they are looking at a giant paper map. They look like they might be tourists.
Oh, yes, I see them. They are definitely tourists. Nobody who lives here uses a paper map anymore. And look at how they are struggling to fold it correctly. It is a very difficult skill.
It really is. They look a little bit lost, but they also look very happy. The woman is laughing. I wonder where they are from. They are both wearing very bright, colorful clothes.
They do look happy. I think they are on their honeymoon. This is the first time they have ever visited our city, and they are on a romantic adventure together.
A honeymoon adventure. I like that story. What are they looking for on the map?
I believe they are searching for the famous old rose garden. They heard it is the most beautiful and romantic spot in the entire city, and they want to take a photo there together.
The rose garden is a good guess. It is in that direction. Now my turn to choose. Look under that big, shady willow tree. There is a woman sitting on a blanket, and she is reading a book.
I see her. She is completely focused on her book. The whole world could disappear, and I do not think she would even notice. She must be reading something very interesting.
I agree. She is completely absorbed in the story. Let's try to guess what kind of book it is. What genre do you think she is reading?
Well, right now, she has a small, happy smile on her face. So maybe it is a funny book or a sweet romance.
Wait. Look now. Her expression just changed. Now she looks very serious, and her eyes are wide. She looks shocked.
You are right. She just gasped. She put her hand over her mouth. Okay, A romance would not make her do that. It must be a mystery or a thriller. There must have been a huge, unexpected twist in the plot. A good plot twist is the best. Okay, my turn. Do you see that woman walking the little white dog with the fluffy tail?
I do. Or, I should say, I see the little white dog walking the woman. That dog is pulling so hard on the leash. It has so much energy.
It certainly does. It wants to smell every flower, greet every person, and chase every squirrel. That little dog is having the best day of its life in this park.
It is so happy and excited about everything. It is a good reminder to appreciate the small things in life. What do you think that dog's name is? It looks too energetic to have a calm name.
I do not think its name is Max or Buddy. I think it has a funny, energetic name like Sparky or Bolt. The owner looks very patient. She must be used to this.
She must be. I can imagine the conversations she has with her dog. Come on, Bolt, please slow down. You have already said hello to 10 people and 3 other dogs. Okay, let's shift our focus. Look at that group of young people sitting on the grass over there. There are about 5 of them, and they're sitting in a circle.
They look like university students to me. Some of them have open textbooks, and one of them has a laptop. They are probably studying for an exam together.
They are definitely students, but they do not look very stressed. They are laughing and talking more than they are studying. The girl with the red jacket is telling a story, and everyone is listening.
That is the best way to study, with friends in a relaxed place. I remember my own university days. We used to have study groups just like that. We probably spent more time talking than studying, but we always helped each other.
Me too. It is a special time in your life. You have a lot of work to do, but you also have a lot of freedom. They all look so full of hope and potential.
They do. They are probably talking about their dreams for the future, what they want to do after they graduate. It is nice to see that kind of youthful energy. That is a nice group. But now I see something even sweeter. Look at the elderly couple walking along the path by the flower beds.
Oh, yes. They are walking very slowly, and they are holding hands. That is very lovely to see.
It really is. They are not in a hurry at all. They are just enjoying their walk and each other's company. Look, he just pointed at a beautiful yellow rose, and she is smiling.
They look so comfortable and happy together. I wonder how long they have been married. They look like they have known each other forever.
I like to imagine they have been married for 60 years. They met when they were very young, maybe even in this very park, and they have been coming back for a walk every Sunday for their entire lives.
That is a beautiful story. It is nice to think about a love that lasts that long. They have probably shared so many moments and memories right here. This park is part of their life story. What is that sound? Do you hear music playing somewhere in the distance?
I do. It sounds like someone is playing a guitar. Let's see if we can spot them. Oh, there he is, over by the main entrance to the park.
I see him. He is a street performer. He is sitting on a small stool playing an acoustic guitar and singing. He has his guitar case open on the ground in front of him for people to put money in.
A small crowd is starting to gather around him. A few people are stopping to listen. He is quite good. His voice is very nice and clear.
It takes a lot of courage to do that, to perform in front of strangers like that. You are sharing your talent with the world, and you do not know how people will react.
It does take courage. I wonder if this is his full-time job or if it is just a hobby that he loves. Either way, he is adding a beautiful soundtrack to everyone's afternoon in the park today. The musician is a great addition to the park. Oh, and look! Here comes some action right past our bench.
It is a little girl, and she is trying to fly a kite. The kite is very colorful. It is shaped like a dragon.
She is running as fast as her little legs can carry her, but she cannot quite get the kite to catch the wind. She is laughing so hard.
Her father is with her. He is holding the string and giving her instructions. Okay, a little faster now. Wait for the big gust of wind.
This is so lovely. It reminds me of being a child, the simple joy of playing outside with a new toy. There is nothing better than that feeling. It is pure happiness.
It really is. She does not have any worries or stress. Her only mission right now is to get that beautiful dragon kite up into the sky. I think she is going to succeed. Look, the wind is picking up now.
I think you are right. There it goes. It is flying. Look at the joy on her face.
It has been a very eventful afternoon here at the park. We have seen an architect, a pair of tourists, a mystery reader, an energetic dog, a group of students, a loving couple, a musician, and a kite flyer.
It is amazing when you think about it. Every single person we have seen today has their own life, their own stories, their own worries, and their own dreams. We only see a tiny little snapshot of their day.
It is true. People watching makes you realize how big and interesting the world is. It is like reading a book with an infinite number of characters and stories.
That is the perfect way to describe it. Well, the sun is starting to get a little lower in the sky. It is probably time we should think about heading home soon.
I agree. But I feel so relaxed and happy. This was a wonderful afternoon. Do you want to get an ice cream from the little stand near the exit before we go?
I thought you would never ask. That sounds like the perfect ending to a perfect day.